people of Gambhigiri, to people of Garo Hills and the people of Meghalaya, you have been elected for the first time?
Well, I think the message is clear, loud and clear, that people have voted for change today. People have voted for development, and this is what we as a party, the leadership encourages, and this is what we have been promoting, and I think the message is clear. So I'm happy that people have come to our party today, and we have seen that previously we could never win this seat, but the people of Gambhigiri have voted for change. And I think the whole Garo Hills and Meghalaya is experiencing that right now with NPP at the government, and we will do more and do our best to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
So the call for development has been accepted by the people.
I think it's...
So the call for development has been accepted by the people of Gambhigiri. So how it feels today that your wife has been elected as MLA from that area?
Of course, we are very happy as a party, and would like to thank the people of Gambhigiri for their support in this by-election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Gambhigiri that we will do everything in our capacity to make sure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges, but we will do our best to serve the people of Gambhigiri. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all the leaders, party workers, MLAs, MDCs who have worked very hard to support the candidature of Dr. Mehtab Chand Sangma in this past by-election. Thank you very much.